Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your computer randomly keeps restarting, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we'll do is to disable the automatic restart so that we can carry on the rest of the steps. We'll search for advanced settings, okay, or you can look for it in the control panel, and you have to click on startup and recovery settings. So here, the bottom of those three boxes, and then you need to uncheck automatically restart under system failure and then click on OK. Now it will not restart, so we'll carry on the rest of the steps. To fix the computer, we can go to command prompt and then click on run as administrator, and then we will enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Since this scan takes quite some time, I'm not going to press enter to keep this video short. The next thing we'll do is run the check disk scan. So after the sfc scan is over, we will run the check disk scan in command prompt. Let me open command prompt again, right click, run as administrator, and enter the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Now we will press Y and press enter, but please remember this scan will only take place once the system restarts. It is given here once the system restarts. So restart your computer by pressing the start button, the power button and the restart button, and wait for the check disk scan to finish running and fix any errors. Now once that is done, we will run the hardware and device diagnostics. So we'll press the Windows and the R key, and we will enter the command or the line msdt.exe space -id space devicediagnostic. Hit the enter button and then click on next. It will run this troubleshooter. We'll again open the Windows and we'll press the Windows and the R key to open the run dialog, and this time we will enter the command msdt.exe space slash id, and we will space POWER and press enter. Now click on next, wait for the power troubleshooter to run, and then once it is done, we will run another troubleshooter, that is the maintenance system maintenance troubleshooter. Hit the Windows and the R key again to bring up the run dialog, and this time we will enter the command msdt.exe space slash id space maintenance diagnostic, and hit the enter button and then click on next to run the system maintenance troubleshooter. Now after that is over, you can try troubleshooting as an administrator here. Okay, so then you can close the troubleshooter. Now after that is over, we will also edit the power plan. So here you can click on edit power plan, and in this we will look for changed advanced power settings, and in this we will look for the processor power management. All right, in the processor power management we will open this, and we will make sure that on battery this is made to 5% and plugged in it is made to 5%. All right, once that is done, click on apply, click on OK, and we will move on to the next step, that is we will update all the drivers, and we can do that by going to the manufacturer website like I said in the earlier step. So look for ASUS 1504FA drivers. You can also check your manufacturer and the model number by the method I told you earlier, WMIC CS product space get space name in command prompt, and then click on the manufacturer website. Seems to be down. All right, so go to the manufacturer website and you can download all the drivers and then reinstall or install those drivers. Then we'll use another command to run the memory diagnostic, or to better to check the RAM. So hit the Windows and the R button, go to MDSCHED and hit the enter button. and then click on restart now and check for problems. So once you do that, it will shut down the computer, run the memory diagnostic check, fix any errors with the RAM, and then restart over again. Then the other thing we can do is update the BIOS. So we will again go to the manufacturer website, see if it's working now. Perfect. So like I told you, update the driver and the tools. So you go to driver and the tools, update or download all the drivers here, and then just run the installers. Now we will also update the BIOS. So look for the BIOS update for Windows, download it and run it. After all this, you can go to advanced power settings, advanced system settings, startup and recovery, look for settings and check the automatically restart button, because after doing all these steps, your computer will no longer have a system failure and should not restart automatically again. Once you do that, click on the start button, the power button and click on restart. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.